हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कन्वर्स ऑफ बीपीटी। कन्वर्स ऑफ बीपीटी। सो टू बिगिन विद, इफ यू मेक ए ट्रायंगल लाइक दिस, से ए बी सी, BPT means basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem that we have seen in the previous class, and the statement of the theorem was like this: in a triangle, if you have a side which is parallel to one of its side, so here the triangle is ABC, one of its side is BC and line DE is parallel to it, that is parallel to BC. So इसमें क्या था कि ट्रायंगल ABC में AB और AC साइड को DE लाइन सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड करती थी, जिसका मतलब था AD अपॉन DB was equal to AE upon EC. This was the result when this was given to us. In theorem BPT, we were given that in a triangle, if a line is parallel to one of its side, intersecting the other two sides at two distinct points, then that line will divide those two sides in the same ratio. Now here, if we want to study converse of it, जब अगर हम इसका converse पढ़ना चाहते हैं, तो undoubtedly the statement should be like this: that in a triangle, if a line divides two sides of it in the same ratio, then it must be parallel to third. एक बार फिर कह रहा हूं मैं, बीपीटी का कन्वर्स होगा कि अगर किसी ट्रायंगल में कोई एक लाइन उस ट्रायंगल की दो साइड को सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड करती है, तो यहाँ पे DE ने AB और AC, जो ट्रायंगल की दो साइड हैं ABC की, उनको सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड किया है। यही है सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड करने का मतलब। तो हमें प्रूव करना है, दिस टाइम दिस इज गिवन एंड वी नीड टू प्रूव दैट DE is parallel to BC. This is what we have to prove. So how to go about? We will say if DE is not parallel, let us say there is another line called DF which is parallel to BC. This is our supposition. Before we set out working out the procedure for its solution, we said if DE is not parallel, let us say DF is parallel. मान लिया कि DE पैरेलल नहीं है तो DF पैरेलल है, और अगर DF पैरेलल है, as is assumed by us, this is equation 1 I will say, and then we undoubtedly when we say that DF is parallel to BC assumed by us, then you can definitely say AD upon DB will be equal to AF upon FC, and this is equation 2, and that is again by BPT. BPT थ्योरम ये थी कि अगर एक लाइन किसी ट्रायंगल में उस ट्रायंगल की एक साइड के पैरेलल है, तो इस बार हमने कह दिया कि DF पैरेलल है BC के, और अगर DF पैरेलल है तो DF AB और AC को सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड करेगी, हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया। और क्योंकि DF है तो वी विल राइट AD अपॉन DB और AF अपॉन FC. नाउ इफ यू सी द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ दीज इक्वेशंस, इक्वेशन 1, इक्वेशन 2, left hand side is AD upon DB, left hand side of another equation is also AD upon DB, so their right hand sides also will be equal. So from 1 and 2, what you can write is AE upon EC is equal to AF upon FC, and let me call this as equation 3. So if I add 1 to both sides of this triangle, this equation 3, I will add 1 to both sides. So I will write like this: 1 plus AE upon EC, and here it is AF upon FC plus 1. If you take LCM, it will be EC here divided by 1, EC multiplied by 1, so you have EC plus AE, and that is equal to, here LCM will be FC. So FC divided by FC, it is 1, this is AF, and here it is 1 divides FC, so you get FC multiplied by this, so when you get FC, so it is like this. Now if you see there, EC plus AE, just see, EC plus AE is equal to AC upon EC, and here also it is AF plus FC, just look here, AF plus FC, that is also AC, and you have FC. Now what we have is, this is equation 4, and in this you have, see, the fractions are equal, both these fractions are equal, and also their numerators are equal. बिना किसी शक शुबहे के, without an iota of doubt in our mind, we can say EC will be FC, If fractions are equal, numerators are equal, undoubtedly the denominators are equal. So from here you can conclude EC will be equal to FC. And if you see here, EC is equal to FC. EC if equal to FC, that implies E and F are coincident points. I should write coincident. That means E and F lie at one and same point, which means only this. And we had supposed that DF was parallel, and when you say DF is nothing but D itself, D is lying at D and F is lying at E, that means DF is nothing but DE, which means D itself was parallel. So we have proved DE is parallel to BC. And the statement of the converse of BPT was like this, that in a triangle, if a line divides two sides of it in the same ratio, then that will be parallel to third. We had assumed only thing that if not DE parallel, let us say DF is parallel. Thereafter, with the help of BPT, we arrived at this result. On analyzing left hand sides of the equations, we found them to be same. So right hand sides also were put same. One was added to both the equations. Then we finally got AC upon EC and AC upon FC. Here the fractions are equal, numerators are equal. That means undoubtedly the denominators are equal. And if they are equal, that means E and F is lying at one and same point. So what we wanted to prove, that DE is parallel to BC and DF is not another line, it is DE itself. So we have proved that DE is parallel to BC.